Hey, what's up guys, it's Mac from MKBCULT Weapons channel, and today we're just going to give you some update over the channel and MKBCULT Weapons as a whole. I'm talking about the store and Second Life. Of course, we're going to talk about our new schedule of the uploads and some of the things that you're going to expect within this whole 2018 year. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video. And I think I'll start by stating our main goal within this channel. So our number one goal is to give our audience and fans an overview, demonstration, tutorials, advertisement of our weapons and our future products. Of course, you are going to expect more of those things within this channel. I really don't set a number of weapons that must be released within a year, but in accordance to the majority demand of the customers. There are several requests, and not all of those requests are being made, but what we do is like set a poll and pick the most requested weapon that we have, aka Lambent Light Rapier and Ashura Maru Katana. Yes, these models are the most requested among all others besides the Inuris Void Sword, which is, by the way, you can check out over here. Yes, I showed this weapon to you 2 years ago, and I was not able to release it at the right time because we're really having difficulties in picking up the right animations for these weapons. Especially the Rapier animations, we're trying our best to look for new animations because our current animators' work are no longer appealing to some of our customers. As you can see, one of the reviews here in our marketplace. Yes, that's what you get. And worst comes to worst, if we will not be able to look for new animations or animators that do mocap, we might result into creating our own, which is, I personally got an idea how to create such things, but it will require several gadgets, so we will be able to create this, but expect that within this coming year. However, the Ashura Maru Katana will be released within this year, I promise that. This actually started during the tournament last year, wherein people were asking me where did I get the arena, and as soon as they found out that I was the one who created it, they started asking whether if they're going to see this type of items in the market soon. Of course, just recently I decided to open a shop dedicated for medieval stuff such as structures, furnitures, and others. Of course, more details in the future. As for the weapon giveaways in the unboxing giveaway series, we will postpone the series as of now till we reach the required likes and views over the series. So you won't be seeing any new episode anytime soon, but of course, during special occasions, special events, we will be announcing some giveaways. So stay tuned for that. Yes, I've been inconsistent about this series for quite some time now, and I really apologize for that. But we will still continue making this time-lapse creation in Blender in this channel. However, we will have a different schedule for it. So we will have like one episode every month or one episode every 2 months. So make sure you subscribe to be notified. I really hate to admit it, but this channel is getting more views, likes, interactions in our tech reviews more than any others, you know. And because of that, we will still be doing more tech reviews within 2018. Expect simple, cheap, affordable, whether it be local or international kinds of products. We might also tackle some tutorials regarding the software related kinds of technologies within this coming year. So I'll keep on saying this, guys. Make sure you subscribe to be notified. Okay, let me just explain to you our schedule really quick. So every 10th of the month, we're going to have a store updates, news, and tutorials if ever there's any. And in the 15th of the month, we're going to do some commercials, events, and some giveaways if there's some special occasions of some sort. And of course, we're going to do an announcement in the same day. Of course, and the 20th of the month, we're going to do a time-lapse video creation, whether if it is weapon or some medieval stuff. And in every 25th day of the month, we're going to do a new series called the 1 Year Later Tech. This is wherein we're going to take a look at the products that we reviewed in this channel 1 year later or so. So it's like we're going to check how the product is, whether we have some issues or not. We're all gonna check all of these things out in this series. And of course, every last day of the month or every 30th day of the month, we're going to have a new tech review video. So that's it for 2018 channel update, guys. So if you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up, you share it, and of course, if you want some more, simply subscribe as well as follow our socials down at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.